Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see, right there. So what I did, I smoothed those out. Those are, I wouldn't say perfect, but it's good, like, to start doing body work on it. This one I still have to pull, but it's much better. It's just getting really late. It's already, I'm probably working it for 4.5 hours. To pull those dents, it just takes forever, just because you have to wait for the glue to cure each time before you can pull it out. This is one of the reasons it takes so long. Anyway, wow, it's windy outside like crazy. I don't know if you can hear it. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and work on it. I think that they have another, like, literally 30 or 40 minutes, and it will be in an excellent condition. Again, this one, when I started, the dent was pretty deep in, and now, as you guys can see, there is, like, you can see the crease mark where there is a sharp line, but when you touch it, it's not that deep. So this actually, the system work, it just take longer time. Again, if I will do the regular body work on it, it's already done a long time ago. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna zoom back out.